Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Glass doors on a fireplace reduce hazards associated with burning logs in an open hearth. The doors serve as protective barriers that prevent embers and sparks from escaping the fireplace and injuring someone or causing a flammable object to catch fire.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Glass doors should be fully open when starting a fire and when the fire is burning strongly. The glass doors should be closed as the fire dies down to minimize the amount of room air going up the fireplace chimney. When burning gas logs in a wood-burning fireplace, the glass doors should always be fully open.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A fireplace damper should always be kept open while the fire is burning. Furthermore, keep the damper open until all the embers are done burning. Smoke and dangerous carbon monoxide can enter the house. Once the ember bed is completely out, close the damper. 26 December 2019.
Take our lead.
Do you always need a fireplace screen? If you have a stone floor or a wide stone or metal surface in front of the fire, it is always necessary to put a fireplace screen in front of the fire if there is no one supervising the fire. The use of a fireplace screen is also sensible for a gas fireplace.
Take our lead.
Bottom air vent. The bottom air vent on old-style heatilator fireplaces are where cool room air is drawn into the fireplace. The air is then routed around the firebox and exits through the top air vent where it returns to the room as heated air. 17 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The doors should always be fully open or fully closed. The glass doors should be closed as the fire dies down to minimize the amount of room air going up the fireplace chimney. When burning gas logs in a wood-burning fireplace, the glass doors should always be fully open when the gas logs are burning.
Take our lead.
Closing your fireplace doors doesn't make your fire burn longer. Allowing your fireplace doors to remain open will promote better airflow. Oxygen is a key element in healthy burning fires. If your fireplace doors are shut, oxygen cannot reach the flames. 22 September 2020.
Take our lead.
Start by placing 2 pieces of firewood on the grate in your fireplace. Now crumple newspaper, which is your tinder, and place it between the firewood. Place the kindling on top. Add 1 or 2 more pieces of firewood on top of the other logs, and be sure to leave enough room for air to circulate around the logs.
Take our lead.
Use vinegar solution. Try a homemade soot cleaning solution made of ammonia and vinegar. 1 cup vinegar, 3 cups warm water and 1 tablespoon of ammonia. Spray solution onto the glass and let sit for 30 seconds. With a clean cotton cloth, scrub in a circular motion until soot is loosened. 20 April 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.